Hello students, welcome back to Only Smart English. This is part 2. This is a continuation of our lesson on the 2018 or 2018 EC Ethiopian English Entrance Examination first round language focus. In the previous video, we carefully discussed the first parts of the language focused section. Today, we will continue with questions 50 up to 65, where you will practice more advanced grammar and exam techniques frequently tested in the Ethiopian University Entrance Examination. In this lesson, we will explain each question step by step, identify the correct answer, and discuss why the other options are incorrect. By the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of important grammar topics and be better prepared to score higher on your entrance examination. If you haven't watched the previous lesson, I encourage you to watch it first so that you don't miss the explanations of the earlier question before we begin. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your classmates, and turn on the notification bell to receive all our English lessons and entrance examinations practice video. Now, get your notebook and pen ready. Stay focused and let's continue with question 50. I wish you success as we work together toward an excellent score in the English entrance examination. Students, let's continue the question. Question number 50. The book that I borrowed from the library is very interesting. A. Who? B. Whom? C. Whose? D. Which? Pause the video and challenge yourself. The correct answer is choice D, which is the correct answer. Which is right. Which is the relative pronoun used for objects or things. The book, as it is the object, requires choice D. Question number 51. I am looking forward dash youth soon. A. To see. B. Seeing. C. To seeing. D. See. Pause the video and challenge yourself. The correct answer for question number 51 is choice C. To seeing is the correct answer. To seeing is the correct answer. Let's see its reasons. The phrase look forward to requires a gerund ing form because it acts as a preposition here. When it acts as a preposition, it followed by a gerund. Question number 52. They are used to dash up early in the morning. A. Wake. B. Working. C. Work. D. Working. Pause the video and challenge yourself. The correct answer for question number 52 is choice B, working is right. Let's see its reason. Be used to, meaning accustomed to, is always followed by a gerund ing. Question number 53. Dash he was tired. He finished his assignment. A. Because. B. Although. C. However. D. Since. Pause the video and challenge yourself, students. The correct answer for this question is choice B, although is right. Students, although is right. Let's explain it. Although is used to show contrast between a concession clause and a main clause. For this reason, choice B is the correct answer. Question number 54. I would rather you dash home now. It is getting dark. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. D. Gone. Pause the video and challenge yourself. The correct answer for question number 54 is choice B, went is right. Choice B, went is right. Let us explain it. I would rather has a different subject following it. I would rather you. It requires the past simple tense to express a present preference. For this reason, choice B is the correct answer. Question number 55. Salam is dash intelligent that she easily solved the puzzle. A. Such. B. To. C. So. D. Very. Pause the video and challenge yourself, student. The correct answer is choice C. So is right. So is right, students. Let us see its reason. The intensifier pattern is so plus adjective plus that structure. For this result, clause is choice C is right. Salam is so intelligent that she easily solved the puzzle. For this reason, choice C is the correct answer. Question number 56. He asked me where dash going. A. Was I? B. I was. C. Am I? D. I am. Pause the video and try to do by yourself, students. Correct answer for this question is choice B. I was is right. Choice B is right. Student, let us see its reason. Indirect reported questions used normal statement word order, subject plus verb instead of question word order. For this reason, choice B is the correct answer. Correct answer for question number 56 is B. I was is right. Choice B is right. I was is right. Let us see its reasons. Indirect or reported question used normal statement word order, subject plus verb instead of question word order. For this reason, choice B is the correct answer. Question number 57. The house dash last year by a famous architect. A. Builds. B. Built. C. Was built. D. Has built. Pause the video and challenge yourself, students. The correct answer for this question is choice C. Was built is right. Let us explain it. The action happened in the past and the house is the receivers of the action, requiring the past simple passive voice. For this reason, was built is a passive voice, past passive voice. For this reason, the correct answer is choice C. 58. You had better dash an umbrella. It looks like it will rain. A. Take. B. To take. C. Taking. D. took. Pause the video and challenge yourself, student. Correct answer for question number 58 is choice A. Take is right. Let's see its reasons. The phrase her better is an auxiliary idiom followed by a bare infinitive verb without to. For this reason, choice A is the correct answer. Question number 58. Dash of the heavy rain. The football match was postponed. A. Because. B. In spite. C. Due to the fact. D. Because of. Pause the video and try to do by yourself, students. The correct answer for this question is choice D. Because of is right. Because of is right. Let's say it. Because of is a prepositional phrase followed by a noun phrase, the heavy rain. For this reason, the correct answer is choice D. Number 60. Scarcely had she finished the exam dash the bell rang. A. Then. B. When. C. Then. D. While. Pause the video and try to do by yourself, students. The correct answer for question number 50 is choice B. When is right. When is right, students. Let's see its reason. The adverbial formula is scarcely when. or hardly when, used to show one action happening immediately after another action. So the correct answer is choice C. Question number 61. She has been living in Addis Ababa dash 2015. A for, B since, C in, D from. Pause the video and challenge yourself, students. Correct answer for question number 61 is B since is right. Let's see its reasons. Present perfect continuous uses since to point to a specific starting moment in time. For this reason, she has been living in Addis Ababa since 2015. So 2015 is a starting point. For this reason, choice B is the correct answer. Question number 62. I didn't mean to offend you. I didn't mean to offend you. I just wanted to point dash the error. A in, B up, C out, D on. Pause the video and challenge yourself, student. The correct answer for this question is choice C out is right. Choice C out is right. Let's see it. It is a reason. The phrasal verb point out means to bring attention to a fact or error. For this reason, choice C is the correct answer. Question number 53. Could you please turn the light before leaving the room? A off, B out, C down, D up. Pause the video and try to do by yourself, student. Correct answer is choice A off is right. Off is right, student. Let us explain briefly. Turn off means to deactivate an electrical devices or lights. For this reason, choice A is the correct answer. Question number 64. The teacher made the students do the exercise again. A to do, B doing, C do, D did. Pause the video and challenge yourself, student. The correct answer for question number 64 is choice C do is right. Okay, let us try to explain briefly. The causative verb make is followed by an object and a bare infinitive verb without to. For this reason, choice C is the correct answer. Students, please don't forget like, share and subscribe. Question number 65. If he dash the truth, I wouldn't be angry now. A tells, B told, D has told, D had told. Pause the video and challenge yourself, student. The correct answer for question number 65 is choice D had told is right. Students, choice D is right. Let us see its explanation. In this mixed conditional,